Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to share a review of this stunning Lumina LED lighted bathroom mirror from Awesome Home. If you're like me and love sleek modern bathroom upgrades, then you're gonna want to watch this. As you can see, it comes very well packed and protected. It comes with the instruction manual and everything you need for installation. Before we get started, let's talk about the design. This mirror is 28 inches by 36 inches, so it's the perfect size for any bathroom. I love the black frame with the rounded corners. It adds a clean and contemporary vibe. What really sets this mirror apart is the inner and outer LED lighting. It's super bright but also dimmable, so you can set the perfect mood. Whether you're getting ready in the morning or winding down at night, it adjusts to exactly what you need. Here you can see it comes with the instruction manual and everything you need for installation, as well as a plug if you want to connect it to an outlet or a hard wire. This is the space we chose for installation. Here my husband is screwing the mount base. So as you can see, the first step is leveling the mount base so that the mirror is well positioned. Once he leveled it, he screwed the base with the included screws. Now you can see he's just mounting the mirror on top of the bay. My husband later connected the plug to the outlet, and there is the innovative inner to outer illumination. The high luminance feature makes it 2 to 5 times brighter than standard mirrors of the same size, serving as a primary light source for the bathroom. Also, you can see it's very simple to use. There's only three buttons. The first one is the power button, and it also controls the inner and outer lights to create flexible lighting ambiance. The second one changes the light color, and the third one is the anti-fog feature, which is a game changer. Mirror also has super responsive touch controls that make it easy to turn on, off, and adjust the brightness. Overall, the Lumina LED lighted bathroom mirror is a perfect addition if you're looking to elevate your bathroom style while adding some functionality.